Early this week, a Trump-appointed federal judge slapped down his Department of Justice's attempt to get their hands on the voting rolls of the state of Michigan. This was Judge Hala Jarboe, the chief judge for the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Michigan, appointed by Donald Trump in September of 2020, right at the end of his first term. And Judge Jarboe told the Trump administration that you don't actually have any legal basis for requesting all of the voter rolls for the state of Michigan. Like, you come into my courtroom telling me that we need it because they could be violating the Help Americans Vote Act. And we also need it because Michigan may be violating the Voting Rights Act. So give us all your voter rolls, including all of the information on each individual voter in the state. And, we'll double check it, to make sure they're complying with the law. And Judge Jarboe was like, yeah, that's not how it works. You don't just get to walk into somewhere and say, hey, give us all your personal private information so we can verify that you're following the law. You kind of have to have a thing that we call in the legal profession probable cause, or get this, a little thing we like to call evidence. But you've come to my courtroom with none of those things. You've come in here saying, yeah, they're going to do these things, maybe, possibly, probably. They could have already done these things. Who the hell knows? We need all their stuff. And even a Trump-appointed judge was like, not going to happen, a-holes. You've provided no evidence. You've provided no real, actual legal basis. Honestly, you haven't even accused them of actually violating these things. Like, that's how bad it was. The judge was like, not only do you not have evidence, you're not even saying they did do something wrong. So what the hell are we even doing here? Typically, I'm not going to heap praise on a conservative justice, but in this particular instance, Judge Jarboe, phenomenal job. You really not only got it right, but also made them look like the idiots that they are. And that is always very much appreciated. This is much deeper than Trump. He is just the figurehead. Thankfully, his buffoonery has made him an idiot. It always ends this way with Trump. Yeah, his stupidity and his commitment to sycophants rather than talented people is the one thing keeping us afloat. But I think that's also another good point you made there, is that this is not just Trump. It's the enablers of the Republican Party. It's the evolution of the Republican Party that has been taking place since Ronald Reagan came onto the scene, possibly even a little before that, if you want to include Nixon, although he was kind of a unique, corrupt bastard. But yeah, this is the long, slow process. Trump is the end result, not the cause of it. And that's something everybody's got to remember. Thanks for watching, and if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do so, and do not forget to like and comment and share widely among your friends.